Oh, g'day. I'm Trevor. See, you found my fishing spot. Wasn't that much of a secret after all. Enjoy, 6 o'clock in the morning. Got rained out a couple of days ago. Thought I'd come back today. Supposed to be just cloudy. It was raining on the way to the river. See how we go today. Hopefully we're not going to get rained out again. I'm going to head out to the mouth if it's not too windy. See what's out in the mouth there. See what we can get. Spot out in the middle. Hopefully it's not going to rain again today. I got rained out awesomely the other day. Had to go home, didn't get a chance to come back. Come back today, see if I can redeem myself. See what this spot's got to offer. Last couple of times I've been here, I've caught some awesome fish. So keep watching, see what we can get. Through the beak. Not too far. Set your tension up. Wide gap hook. They catch themselves. This one through the side, just under the skid. At the shoulder, in the shoulder muscle. Don't hit the nerve. Out the other way. Set your tension again. Let's hit him in the rack. Just making myself a coffee. Got my first sip. If you want to catch a fish, have a sip of coffee. Guaranteed to get on. Where is he? Behind the boat. Is he still on? I think I've dropped him. Dropped him, bugger. Oh, second one's going off. Back on my little rod. Where is he? Is he coming in with me, or he's still on there? Oh, there's something over there as well. don't want to go around the anchor rope, if possible. Yeah, that'll be right, straight under it. Anchor rope's as slack as I'm in an eddy, by the look of it. Oh, not under there again. Queenfish. Seems to be the season for them. Oh, quite an active bloody queenfish. Oh, 15-pound line, so I have to watch what I'm doing. Number 2 wide gap hook. And come here. About the average size of what they are here. Around the 550s. They're a bloody good fight though. One little queenfish. Yeah, he's legal, he's 550. And off he goes. Play it on this one. Oh. It was just tap, tap, tapping away at the bottom. Picked it up, slowly started winding it in. And he decided to take off. Where is he? Oh, he's a heavier one, this one. Keep tension on him all the time. And in the boat. And another nice size queenie. They're only small, but geez, they're putting some power on. Oh, he's not too bad. He's running at 600. Oh, stop it. They're slowly getting bigger. And off he goes. Oh, now he's woken up. Didn't know whether he wanted to. Another queenfish. I'm hoping for GTs and Goldens today. The Queenies are coming though, they keep me busy. Been throwing a couple of lures. They are a nice looking fish. Streamline for power and speed. He's just on 500, he's a legal fish as well. And off he goes. And on the back one again. Just picked up the rod to throw the lures. They must know. Must be a school of Queenies here at the moment. There he goes. Oh, and my other rod's going. There he is. Around here. Geez, they're putting it on today. One in the boat. Only a little one, he's had a bit of a tussle by the look of it at some time. He's a legal fish as well, around about 5, let's see, 530, 540. Off that one goes. We'll check this other rod, see what's on. Or have I missed him? Missed that one. Putting a hook on one, the other one's going off. Is he still on there? I missed him. Or did I? No, he's swimming with me. Yep, he's on there. My little rod, this has also got 15-pound line on it. Did have 10-pound line, kept on getting smashed off. Thought I'd upgrade it a little bit. Seems to have paid off. It's a little ugly stick, so can't see it breaking. Oh, he's putting up a tussle, this one. Another nice Queenie. They're all legal size. Yeah, he's for 520, 530. No, he's 540. And off he goes. just put this one in. I've only just cast it, and something hit it the second it hit the water. What have we got this time? So it's a queenfish by the feel of it. Like I said, hoping for a golden trevally. They found that really good eating. Queenfish. And there he is. Geez, they put some pressure on. Oh, come here. And he's out. He's running at, he's a slightly larger. Yeah, he's running at 600. About the same as normal. And off they go. Just throwing lures. And once again, are you on there? Yep. Is he on there? Yeah, you could say he's on there. Whoa! Yeah, he's on there. Don't spoil me, don't spoil me. Oh no, I busted him off. He was a bit big, that one even. Not much you can do when they keep going. Yeah, just about to cast off. Lure. Oh, there he is over there. Had a big one on just before that did that. Back here. Oh, there he is. Under here. Oh, no, 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 no. We don't want to be doing that. Oh, there's an active bloody one, this one. Oh, the other rod going off. Is he still on? Yep. I'll tighten that one up a bit. I'll just get this one off. And he's running at 580, and off he goes. We'll see if this other one's still on, or have I lost him? Yeah, I've lost this one too. And this one's been playing with it 3 or 4 times. I've thrown the same bait out 3 or 4 times. This time it's decided it wants it. Or does it? Or is it swimming in towards me? I think it's swimming in towards me. Yeah. Can't, I can see you down there. There's the bait. He missed the bait completely. Got him. Look out. Another bloody beautiful queenfish. Running at 550. Yeah, 540, 550. And off he goes. Well, they seem to be on. Put the dead herring back on that they destroyed before. And something hit it. Where are you going? Another queenfish just about jumped in the bloody bait then. If I gave him a bit more line, I wouldn't have had to put him in. He did jump in the boat. Well done. He wanted to come for a visit. One very eager queenfish. Very eager queenfish. He jumped in the boat. And he's running around, 580. And we'll let him go. He might want to come back for a visit. Awesome. Just chucking lures. And the back line's gone off again. Run out of live herring. Put a dead one on. Hopefully it should catch something different to queenies, because queenies normally go after the live ones, but they have been known to take dead ones as well. Well, he pulled me in. Would have been bloody funny. And a queenfish. On a dead herring. Round this way. He doesn't know where he wants to go. Oh, quite an active little bugger. He's in. One hook out. Nice little queenie. Yeah, he's running 550. And off he goes. And I'm on. I'm just packing up because the storm clouds are rolling in, wind's blowing up. And this one got on. Dead herring again. Oh, not around the anchor rope. Look at anchor rope front and back to hold me in position, because where I am there seems to be an eddy and it was spinning me around. And another queenfish. Another little queenfish, getting smaller. He's still, yeah, he's just touching legal size. And off he goes. Hey guys, that time of the day again, storm's picking up. Looks like we're all going to get wet. Wind's picking up as well. We've had some really good fun in amongst the queenies today. Hope you've enjoyed the session as much as I have. And we'll see you next week. You have a good one, eh? If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.